Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the best survival TV reality shows. Watching real people strip back the complexities of modern lifestyles to fulfill their basic needs not only makes for a gripping reality series, but also satiates a viewer's want to connect with nature. This explains why survival reality shows rarely relies on exaggerated melodrama and often has the narrative of a rite of passage for its contestants. Naked and Afraid. Set amid some of the most extreme environments on the planet, Naked and Afraid features several pairs who, barefoot of clothing, attempt to survive the harsh forces of nature. While the show's stranded in the wild approach isn't exactly unique, but the sans clothing rule brings a unique feeling to the table. Survivor. Since its release way back in the mid-aughts, Survivor has aired 40 seasons and is now a veteran among reality shows throughout its runtime. It follows a group of castaways who have to fend for themselves on a desolate island. The Colony. Produced by Discovery Channel, The Colony brings an intriguing concept to its fore. Its contestants neither find themselves on an isolated island nor a rainforest replete with wildlife. Instead, they are stuck in a simulated post-apocalyptic environment where survival goes beyond finding food, water, and shelter. The Island with Bear Grylls. Every episode of this series begins with Bear Grylls dropping off a group of amateur survival enthusiasts on a remote Pacific island. The catch is that a grand prize of GBP 1 lakh is kept hidden somewhere on the same island. First ones to discover it can either split it with others or choose to keep it all for themselves. While the ants who fail to survive and leaves the island get nothing at all. Ultimate Survival Alaska. Beyond its breathtaking snow-clad mountains and idyllic dense forests, the Alaskan region is well known for accommodating some of the most unforgiving environments. Subjecting themselves to the perilous terrain and the contestants are Ultimate Survival Alaska. Man vs. Wild. One of the most popular reality shows of our time, Man vs. Wild not only offers a thrilling survival experience to viewers but also inspires and educates. Leading the show with his fort and charm, Bear Grylls navigates some of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. While he is at it, he does not hold himself back from giving viewers a bang for their buck by portraying an unflinching look at survival. So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.